Ever wondered if there was a simpler way to handle legal stuff without breaking the bank or getting lost in a maze of legal jargon? You know, those moments when you need a contract, want to start a business, or just have a quick legal question, but the thought of calling a lawyer makes your wallet cry and your head spin. What if you could access legal documents, get advice, and even form your business, all from the comfort of your home, at a fraction of the traditional cost? For years, legal services have been perceived as complex, expensive, and intimidating. The image of mahogany-paneled offices and hourly rates that climb faster than a rocket has been the norm. This perception, while sometimes accurate, has left countless individuals and small businesses feeling vulnerable and unprotected. Many forego legal protection altogether, simply because they believe it's out of their reach. Think about it. Setting up a non-disclosure agreement, drafting a will, navigating landlord-tenant issues, or even something as fundamental as registering your business. These are all situations that scream, lawyer, but often whisper too expensive in the ears of everyday people and budding entrepreneurs. This is where the landscape of legal services has dramatically evolved. The digital age has brought forth innovative solutions, aiming to demystify the law and make it accessible to everyone. No longer is legal help exclusively for those with deep pockets or existing connections within the legal world. The internet has become a powerful equalizer, bridging the gap between legal need and affordable solutions. And at the forefront of this revolution, simplifying legal processes for millions, stands a platform that has redefined how we approach legal matters. Rocket Lawyer. So what exactly is Rocket Lawyer used for? In essence, Rocket Lawyer is an online legal services platform designed to provide affordable and accessible legal solutions for individuals, families, and small to medium-sized businesses. Think of it as your virtual legal assistant, document generator, and direct line to legal professionals, all rolled into one convenient online subscription. Let's break down the core functionalities and explore how Rocket Lawyer addresses those common legal pain points. One of the primary uses of Rocket Lawyer is creating legal documents. This isn't just about generic templates you find online and hope are applicable. Rocket Lawyer offers a vast library of customizable legal forms and contracts, ranging from simple agreements to complex business documents. Need a non-disclosure agreement for a new project? A business contract for a client? An independent contractor agreement for your freelancers? Rocket Lawyer guides you through an intuitive, interview-style process, asking relevant questions and then auto-populating the document based on your answers. The beauty here is that these documents are designed to be legally sound and compliant with state-specific laws. No more guessing if that downloaded template is actually valid where you live. This feature alone saves countless hours and potentially thousands of dollars in attorney fees for drafting. Beyond just creation, Rocket Lawyer also facilitates document management. You can securely store all your created documents in your account, access them from anywhere, and even make edits as needed. They also offer Rocket Sign, their electronic signature service, allowing you to sign documents digitally, making the entire process paperless and incredibly efficient. This is a game changer for businesses needing quick turnaround on agreements or individuals who want to streamline their personal legal affairs. Another significant use case for Rocket Lawyer is access to legal advice. Let's be real, sometimes a template isn't enough, or you have a specific question that a document can't answer. Rocket Lawyer offers several avenues for connecting with actual attorneys. Their Ask a Lawyer service allows you to submit quick legal questions online and receive responses from qualified attorneys, often within one business day. For more complex matters or when you need a more in-depth discussion, members can typically get a free 30-minute consultation with a lawyer from their network. This is invaluable. Imagine having a burning legal question about your business, an employment issue, or an estate planning concern, and being able to get professional insights without the immediate pressure of a hefty bill. This access demystifies legal issues and empowers users to make informed decisions. For small businesses and entrepreneurs, Rocket Lawyer is a veritable goldmine of resources. Starting a business involves a labyrinth of legal requirements. Choosing a business structure, LLC, corporation, nonprofit, filing registration paperwork, obtaining an EIN, drafting operating agreements, and setting up various contracts for employees, contractors, and clients. Rocket Lawyer provides tools and guidance for all these steps. You can form your LLC or corporation directly through the platform, often at a discounted rate or even for free with a premium membership. They also assist with ongoing compliance, offering reminders for annual reports and registered agent renewals, which can save businesses from costly penalties due to oversight. For businesses that deal with sensitive information, creating NDAs is a breeze. When it comes to hiring, Rocket Lawyer can help with offer letters, employment agreements, and even independent contractor agreements, ensuring you're legally compliant from the get-go. Individuals and families also find immense value in Rocket Lawyer for personal legal matters. Estate planning, for instance, can feel daunting. Rocket Lawyer simplifies the process of creating a last will and testament, living will, and powers of attorney. These are crucial documents that ensure your wishes are honored and your loved ones are protected. Beyond estate planning, you can create prenuptial agreements, cohabitation agreements, and even documents related to real estate like lease agreements for landlords or bills of sale for property transactions. The platform provides a proactive approach to legal wellness through its legal health score, which helps users identify potential legal vulnerabilities and offers a personalized action plan to address them. The underlying philosophy of Rocket Lawyer is to make the law understandable and affordable. It's about empowering individuals and businesses to handle routine legal tasks with confidence, while also providing access to professional legal advice when truly needed. It's not designed to replace a traditional lawyer for complex litigation or courtroom representation, but rather to serve as a powerful first line of defense and a comprehensive resource for everyday legal needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.